Hey guys, and welcome to this Traxxas Rustler video with myself, Jake Billing. Today we're looking at an exciting product. These are 3D printed light kits for the Rustler family. Now NGM and some of his close friends have manufactured these, and what I'm going to do is fit these to my Rustler today to show you how good they are. The awesome thing about this light kit is they can be customised to sort of suit anyone's tastes. Everything you need to get going is in this bag included in the box, including extension wires to the receiver box. So let's install these lights in the truck. So thank you Tolu again for sending me these products today. If you guys are interested in these lights, have a look in my description box right below the video. You'll see the tutorial video for how to install these and also the link to buy them online.
Whoa, it's so fast! Whoa! Sweet Caroline! Oh my God! Half throttle! Quarter, half, full throttle! Ho ho ho! Whoa! You gave it the beans, girl! Yeah, it's dusty.
So there we have it. Absolutely awesome. What do you think to the lights, Ollie Rose?
Yeah, they look great.
Don't they just? Really, really cool.
Have you ever seen a woman walking a cat? You have now, guys, you have now. You go, girl.
So after all that bashing, we're back in the house. What did you think to these lights? Obviously I didn't fit them exactly as to specification, but they still look great. So a big thanks goes to Tolu again for sending me these products today. Again, check in the description box right below this video and you'll see the link to buy these lights and the instruction guide to install it on the Rustler as well. As always guys, see you next time.